Hello, everyone. Welcome to Jodoo. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to achieve automatic numbering within Subform, ensuring your business management more easy and effective. For now, the Subform does not support adding a serial number field directly, but we can achieve automatic numbering within Subforms by leveraging functions. Here we take the inventory management form as an example. And 3 functions are needed in this case. UUID is used to generate a 36-string random code. Concatenate joins all our random ID strings together into one string. And the third function will help return the position at which the random ID is first found within random ID set, that is, the number of this row. For more details of these functions, you can look for them in our Help Center. After following this tutorial video, you can easily achieve automatic numbering within a subform. Then let's see how to do it right now. To begin with, prepare an inventory management form that includes these fields. Secondly, we select the random ID field, go to Field Properties, Initial Value, and choose the formula from the drop-down list. Click Edit. In the formula editor, input the function for random ID generating. Similarly, we set the function for the random ID set field. And also, set the function we mentioned before for the no field. After setting these up, let's see how it works. When adding data to the subform, you can see it automatically generate the random ID and serial numbers. If you want to hide the random ID and random ID set fields for a prettier look, uncheck the view permission here. Then these 2 fields are invisible to users now. Also, to ensure accuracy, you should enable Always Recalculate for these 2 fields. This way, they will participate in calculations and linkages even when they are hidden. Here we click the target field, go to Form Properties, Hidden Field Default Value, and select Always Recalculate from the drop-down list. So that's all about subform auto-numbering in Jodoo. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tutorials. And let us know in the comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.